Let's make some cute Easter bird's nest treats. Welcome back, bakers. It's Angela from Bake Angel, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like this video as well. Today I've got a fun treat that you can make with your kids for Easter. These take no time at all, so let's get right to it. To start with, I've melted some chocolate in my microwave. Now this is vegan chocolate chips. I've used in total 270 grams and it took about 2 minutes to melt it. Now you do want to check it every 30 seconds to make sure it doesn't burn, and then once it's ready, give it a really good stir so that it is a nice pouring consistency. Now if your kids are helping you, I recommend an adult actually tips the chocolate into the rice cereal because that bowl is still going to be pretty warm at this point. So you're going to dump everything into your bowl of rice cereal, and I've used 3 cups or 84 grams of rice cereal, and then using a spatula just give everything a good mix until those pieces of cereal are fully coated. Now you'll notice here I'm kind of folding it in, not just going crazy and stirring it, and that's because I don't actually want to smush and crush those cereal bits too much. We want to try and retain a nice light fluffy consistency to this rather than compacting everything down really fully. So once everything is combined as it is here, we can move on to the next stage. You are going to be able to make 12 of these treats with this recipe. So grab yourself a cupcake pan and 12 cupcake liners as well. You could use Easter ones if you wanted to. And then we're going to go ahead and fill them. Now I'm using a 1.5 tablespoon scoop here, which is the perfect size for scooping out all of that lovely cereal treat into our cupcake cases. The good thing about using a scoop is that your hands aren't going to get messy. I mean, this is a slightly messy recipe, especially if the kids help, but the scoop does make things easier to distribute evenly to make sure that those nests will be about the same size. Because you know what kids are like, they're always going to argue if one is bigger than the other. So once they're done, we're going to turn that tray around, and this is my top tip for when you're making Easter nests. If you push down with the underside of the scoop onto your nests, you can actually concave them slightly, and what this means is that once they're set, the candy that you fill them with will not roll everywhere. And speaking from experience, I've had that happen before and it is a nightmare. So that little bit of extra time just to push them down will make a huge difference. Once you've done that, pop the whole tray in the fridge for about 30 minutes, which will allow that chocolate to set. Then you can pull them back out and decorate them as you like. Now we decided to use some foil covered chocolate eggs here. You could put jelly beans in or any candies that you like at all. And there we go. That's my easy Easter bird's nest. I should also mention too that if you use plant-based chocolate and rice cereal, these are both vegan and gluten-free as well, so nobody misses out here. Don't forget to share this video with any of your friends that you think might like to make these with their kids, and I will see you soon. Happy Easter!